I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Bit Assist. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now, go to Bit Assist Pro Dashboard. Click on Add Widget. Give here the widget name. Create. Click on three dots and edit it. Add channel. Choose Custom Form as a channel. Give here a meaningful channel title. Add fields. Scroll down and paste here the webhook URL. Save the channel. Now go WordPress page, click on the Bit Assist logo. Now fill in the form to fetch data. Submit it. After submitting the form, go to the Bit Integrations dashboard and here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Now search and select OneDrive. To get client ID and secret, please visit Azure portal. Now click on Register an application. Name Bit Integrations. Choose Personal Microsoft Accounts only. Select a platform. Web. Go to Bit Integrations dashboard and copy authorized redirect URI. And paste it here. Now click on Register. Copy application ID. And paste it here. Go to Certificates and Secrets. Click New Client Secret. Click Add. Copy value. And paste it here. Click Authorize. Successfully authorized. Click Next. Select your respective folder. This is required. Check Upload Files. Select Upload File and OK. You can also delete your files from WordPress by checking this box. Click Next. Click on Finish and Save. Go to the WordPress page and fill in the form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Let's check our OneDrive. As you can see, file successfully uploaded to OneDrive. Thanks for watching.